So here's another video of this beautiful hybrid. This time outside the greenhouse. I also like how beautiful the petals are and the sepals. Like, check out how they are, like how they stand off here. They make a nice contrast to the beautiful petals here. Very nice shape, very similar to how Echinopsis subdenudata opens, but with a white throat at the bottom of the flower. Really beautiful. This is a good work. I gotta pat my own back here. This is a good hybrid. I will definitely propagate this one and breed with it.